Hello, I'm Callie Rogers, and I'm here at the Boomers and Groups Conference in Green Bay, Wisconsin. And I'm here on the marketplace floor with Tammy Ferguson of Leavenworth CVB in Kansas. Tammy, tell us about Leavenworth and what it offers our Boomers.
Well, Leavenworth is the first city of Kansas. We're located only 30 minutes northwest of Kansas City. And what I found at the conference this weekend, Callie, is that a lot of the Boomers are interested in our military culture, our African-American history with the Underground Railroad, our shopping in our 28 block historic downtown shopping area, and then also our brand new hotels. So we just opened a Fairfield Inn and Suites last year, and this past month we just opened a new Hampton Inn. And they both have free Wi-Fi throughout, free hot breakfast, free parking, business centers, fitness centers, and pools. So, and they're really conveniently located to all of our unique, family-owned, locally operated restaurants and shops. So this is quite a win-win for the Boomers.
Sure. Leavenworth is a very unique and historical city.
Very.
What is some of the really unique attractions that make Leavenworth what it is?
Well, first and foremost, Fort Leavenworth, which is the Army University, and also known as the post that opened the West. It was founded in 1827, and it's very popular with our visitors and tour groups. Also, if you come into the city, you can go to the Carousel Museum and ride our restored 1913 carousel, which people really underestimated because it's over 100 years old, but it's super fast, and they love it. And we also have our cultural museum and vintage homes like the Carroll Mansion. You can walk through and see the opulence that was there back in the Victorian area.
Beautiful city, historical city, like I said. Yeah. And those of you that aren't here at the conference don't know that I'm standing with the champion. Tammy just won our elevator pitch, and she did a fantastic job of representing her city in front of everyone. And she talked about each of the things that she's already talked about here. Yeah. So I hope you're having a great conference.
I am. This is awesome.
Good. Well, thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Callie.
Have a great rest of your conference.
You too.